so long, as you can see, I'm going to extend them, and this is how I extend them. Just gonna take some hair, I'm gonna hold it right here with my teeth. Take some hair, add to it between doing this in my right hand and my index finger and my thumb. And I'm gonna take that and wrap the one that was on top and braid it in there. I'm gonna do it again because that may have been very complicated. So I'm gonna take another piece. So on the shorter piece, I'm just gonna add the piece of hair in between the two closest to my right hand. And it's a piece of hair that's on top of my index finger, and I'm gonna braid that in there. So that's what's gonna get braided right between the other two. So that's how you add it, and that's how you make it so that it's uniform. You don't see that hair was even added. I'm just gonna braid this all the way down, and I'll show you the length of them when I'm done. Okay, so I have my first 3 done, and they are super long. They're like in the middle of my calf. That's where they land. So I'm loving it. Oh, I just love them. I can't wait. I'm very excited to see them be done. So I will see you all when I have them all installed. So it is now 7:48, and I have the top part of my hair done. The back part is not done. So I've been working on my hair for approximately almost 8 hours. So what I'm gonna do to save time is install all of the braids in the back. That's my next step. So I'm gonna install all of the braids, and then I'm gonna braid them all down at once. So the next time you see me, my hair is gonna be done, honey. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am finished. They are extremely long, like extremely long. And I used about 17 packs of hair. Side note, these took about 3 days. I had to go back to the store to get 4 more packs of hair because I started with 13. This hair is kind of like, it's heavy and it's kind of itchy. So what I'm gonna do is go through it and trim the flyaways, and I'm also going to dip the hair. guys, so this is my final look. As you can see, my braids are all done, and yes, I am so in love. But now that you have watched this video, I'm just gonna ask that you subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will see you in my next video.